like it home now, just don't know if it's still mine. And it's hot here, been sweating since May, but I've got me a plan, I'm saving for a rainy day. 'Cause it's been so long since I smelled the ocean, you know, a breeze passing through, such a silly notion. Got a sycamore canoe that I'll be going. She's allegedly handcrafted and masterfully stolen. Oh, oh, and boy, you better not follow that river, 'cause your rain's falling down, the river's getting bigger, and I know blood runs slow, the water flows quicker. Just wait a while to follow